So look at it guys, the Leaf Rush earphones are here back again, and I'm back in another video. And as you read the title, they was speak English. So this vlog, you call it a vlog or you call it a normal video, it's gonna be in English, okay? Cause even I want to increase the reach, and the last two videos it's here somewhere over there, and they are gaining very good results to me, like 1K plus views I'm getting on those videos. So let's start it. So the Leaf Rush wireless earphones, and it's been like 5+ months I've been using it, and I really liked it. And you might even watch my previous vlogs of I going to Kana and somewhere or other places, and I used this mic and it was very satisfying, and the usage was very easy. It was very easy to click all those videos. And even this mic, if you haven't seen the video, it's over there, it's only for you. So let's start it up. The Rush wireless earphone. So first you get is the earphone as it is. Then, oh yeah, you might take part in the giveaway. The link is below in the description, and you might even join my Discord server. The link is also in the description. We get some basic contents over here. The C-type, the USB to C-type charger, and some other earpods for adjustment of accordingly. See, it's very small length, and the small length helps in the faster charging of the device. And I should say that this is a real power beast, and means the quality of the sound plus you get all of it. See, I've got here this manual which no one reads. I know how that guy feels. No. Then the warranty registration over here. Oh yeah, warranty registration. And then this coupon under which you will get the 500 rupees off on the giveaway. Link is in description. Okay. So as I said earlier, that is a power beast. Yes, it is a power beast, and I should say that I have to charge it in quite a big amount of, or a big span of days. Like I charge it 100% on day 1, and I'm charging it again on day 7, or I don't know, I like 10 days later I'm charging it. It's the battery backup is that's going to kill you inside that. Whoa man, I'm watching movies, I'm playing games, I'm listening to music, I'm doing my editing work, and it's still playing on, it still goes on. Leaf, newly emerging company, has done a really good job on this Leaf Rush. And yeah, the special feature to keep them intact is the cheap little magnet. I don't know if you can see that magnet. And the main 3 buttons are over here. The power down, sorry, not the power down, the volume down, the volume up, and the main power button. If you hold the main power button for like 2 or 3 seconds, a blue light will glow up like here, and when you connect this to the device, it will get connected and the blue light won't blink. And now you might able to see, as I holding it for the 3 more seconds, you might see a red light. Okay, so this indicates that it is closed. So guys, and yeah, gonna read some specifications over here. So technical specification, as they say, that it has Bluetooth 5, Bluetooth the version 5. It not might be the latest, because I think the Bluetooth 6 version is the latest. And yeah, the music playback they offer by the company is like 12 hours. And I should say that if not 12 hours, we can at least get 10 plus hours of backup, and for good. Means I've been using it for like on 60-70% of its volume, and they give a good sound. You can even use the app, so easy to set up. You might watch this video so you can easily know how to use this app. Okay, then the driver unit is like 10 millimeters or small, and the impedance, it's like 10 ohms of impedance. And yeah, the price over here that I got is like 1,999, but as it was on sale, I had the 500 rupees coupon with me. I got it around, and some extra discounts I got it around from the official Leaf store. I don't know, I can't find this Leaf Rush wireless earphones right now on the website, but I think they might restock it. So if you want to take this, please check out the website. The link is in description as usual. You can say that. Join my Discord, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel, and share the video so everyone can know that how great is this thing. And like, rather than purchasing some other companies, we can even support this company. Like, this is good, and like 4 or 5 months of using it, I'm really satisfied. And so guys, if you have enjoyed the video, please share it, please let everyone know. And this is the first vlog of me speaking in English, and I don't know if I'm good enough, but I'm trying for getting the reach. And my current situation is like the door is closed and my tripod was here with the support of everything like this. The light, yeah, this was visible in it, but I'll let it be. I might even edit it later. And yeah, so let's see that again. And I will close my vlog over here. Okay. Yeah, that's awesome. And you know, one thing you should do, hit that subscribe. You know, that should not be red. Just hit it and get subscribe. Be in the family. Subscribe. So meet you in another video. Bye bye.